Alright, Ben. Give it a shot here. Oh, let me get the battery cover. Hang on, buddy. I lost it. Where's the battery cover? There's a little black cover goes on here. What did I just do with that? Oh, here it is. Bless you. Okay.
Hi, Nicholas. Hi, buddy. It's your first Christmas. Hi, bud.
Oh, here, I think we have to put batteries in here, too.
Oh. The remote control plugs in here.
It doesn't plug in. That's the let's put that back through here so it doesn't get tangled up in the wheels.
Hi, Belle. Did you get your present, Belle?
I don't know.
Now, Belle, get your present. Get your present. Okay. Okay. He wants me to open it for her.
Okay. You help her out.
It's a ball for her.
Oh, look at that cool car.
Hey, Belle, there's a ball for you.
Hi, Nicholas. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. It's your first Christmas. Yeah. Cool.